In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. A drop-down list is perfect for keeping entries consistent and fast. We'll set one up using values that already live on another sheet, so you can choose from them instead of typing every time. Start by choosing where you want the list to appear. Click the cell you want, or drag across several cells if you want the same list in multiple places. Selecting first is important because Excel will apply the setting to everything you have highlighted. Now go to the ribbon at the top and open the Data tab, find Data Validation, and select it. In the menu that opens, choose Data Validation again to bring up the full settings window. In that window, look for the Allow box. Open it and pick List. This tells Excel that the cell should accept only items from a list you provide. Next to Source, click the small arrow icon to collapse the window so you can point Excel to your list. Navigate to the sheet that holds your items, in this example, the phone numbers, and drag to select the exact cells you want to appear in the drop-down. Keep the selection to a single column or a single row for best results. When you've highlighted the range, click the same icon to expand the window again, then choose OK or press Enter. Back on your sheet, you'll notice a small arrow on the right side of each cell you selected. That arrow is the drop-down. Click any of those cells, open the arrow, and you'll see the items you chose. Pick one, and Excel will place that value into the cell instantly. One quick note about what you'll see. The values in the menu appear exactly in the order they are listed in your source cells, and any edits you make to those cells later will be reflected the next time you open the drop-down. If you accidentally selected the wrong range while choosing the source, you can open Data Validation again and adjust it. If something doesn't look right, double-check that your source range doesn't include blank cells or merged cells, and make sure there aren't extra spaces at the beginning or end of items. Also remember, if you selected multiple cells before starting, they all share the same list now, which keeps data entry consistent across your sheet. And that's it. Your drop-down list is ready to use. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.